If your credit score is below 700, you could be paying more for everything. Higher interest rates, more expensive car loans, higher mortgage payments, even credit card rejections, and most people don't even realize it. But here's the good news. Your credit score is not permanent. It's fixable, and some improvements can happen faster than you think. Let's break it down. What your credit score really means. Your credit score is a 3-digit number, usually between 300 and 850. It tells lenders one thing: how risky are you? If your score is 750 or higher, excellent. 700 to 749, good. 650 to 699, fair. Below 650, risky. The higher your score, the cheaper money becomes. Lower interest, better loan approvals, more financial flexibility. That's power. What actually affects your credit score? A lot of people think income affects credit score. It doesn't. Your score is based on behavior. There are 5 main factors. First, payment history. That's 35%. Do you pay on time? Second, credit utilization. That's 30%. How much of your available credit are you using? Third, length of credit history. 15%. How long have your accounts been open? Fourth, new credit inquiries. 10%. And fifth, credit mix. Another 10%. If you understand these 5, you control the game. Fast credit score fixes. Let's talk action. First, lower your credit utilization. If your limit is $10,000 and you're using $8,000, that's 80%. That hurts your score. Try to stay below 30%. Under 10% is even better. This is one of the fastest ways to boost your score. Second, never miss a payment. Even one late payment can damage your score for years. Set automatic payments. Consistency beats big payments. Third, don't close old credit cards. Older accounts increase your credit history length. Closing them can actually lower your score. And finally, avoid applying for too much credit at once. Every application creates a hard inquiry. Too many inquiries signal risk. Only apply when necessary. Why this matters? Let's put this into perspective. Imagine 2 people. One has a 650 score, the other has a 750 score. They both apply for a mortgage. The higher score gets a lower interest rate. Over 30 years, that difference could cost tens of thousands of dollars. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's your financial reputation. Improving your credit score isn't complicated, it's discipline. Pay on time, keep balances low, be patient. And remember, the higher your score, the cheaper your money becomes. Next video, we'll break down how interest rates affect your loans and investments. Subscribe if you want finance explained clearly.